Personalized medicine is what I like to think is multifactorial, where therapies can be tailored to the patient's unique gene profile and or a patient's immune cells, for example, can be primed to attack disease. Regarding the latter, I was fortunate to have been trained by one of the fathers of CAR T cell therapy. Now, CAR T cell therapy is a therapy where you take a patient's T cells, genetically engineer them with a target like CD19 for diffuse large B cell lymphoma, turn it essentially into a heat seeking missile, then reinfuse it into the body so that it can target and destroy the cancer, largely sparing healthy cells. This therapy received FDA approval in 2017. And the BMS CAR T cell product that was approved in February of 2021 was actually made in our lab. I contributed the next generation of these therapies, where I made the gene targeting platform. Studies showed that this therapy demonstrated greater efficacy with a reduced side effect profile in animal models. And then it was later acquired by a smaller pharmaceutical company that received FDA approval last year to start clinical trials, and most recently was purchased by a larger pharmaceutical company that is incorporating this technology into its into the next generation of its immunotherapy.